Top 10 Artificial Intelligence Worries for the Future. Welcome to our channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel to join our family. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the toast of every technology-driven company. Integration of AI gives a business a massive amount of transformation opportunities to leverage the value chain. Adopting and integrating AI technologies is a roller coaster ride, no matter how business-friendly it may sound. A Deloitte report says, around 94% of the enterprises face potential artificial intelligence problems while implementing it. It is very important to know how a developer should tackle the AI problems in the real world. AI technologies must be accepted as a friend, not as a foe. Watch this video to know what are the top 10 potential artificial intelligence problems that need to be addressed. Number 1. Lack of technical knowledge. To integrate, deploy and implement AI applications in the enterprise, the organization must have the knowledge of the current AI advancement and technologies as well as its shortcomings. The lack of technical know-how is hindering the adoption of this niche domain in most of the organization. Only 6% enterprises currently having a smooth ride adopting AI technologies. Enterprise requires a specialist to identify the roadblocks in the deployment process. Skilled human resources would also help the teamwork with return on in tracking of adopting AI, ML solutions. Number 2. The price factor. Small and mid-sized organizations struggles a lot when it comes to adopting AI technologies as it is a costly affair. Even big firms like Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, FAMGA, allocate a separate budget for adopting and implementing AI technologies. Number 3. Data acquisition and storage. One of the biggest artificial intelligence problems is data acquisition and storage. Business AI systems depend on sensor data as its input. For validation of AI, a mountain of sensor data is collected. Irrelevant and noisy datasets may cause obstruction as they are hard to store and analyze. AI works best when it has a good amount of quality data available to it. The algorithm becomes strong and performs well as the relevant data grows. The AI system fails badly when enough quality data isn't fed into it. Number 4. Rare and expensive workforce. As mentioned above, adoption and deployment of AI technologies require specialists, like data scientists, data engineer and other SMEs, subject matter experts. These experts are expensive and rare in the current marketplace. Small and medium-sized enterprises fall short of their tight budget to bring in the manpower according to the requirement of the project. Number 5. Issue of responsibility. The implementation of AI application comes with great responsibility. Any specific individual must bear the burden of any sort of hardware malfunctions. Earlier, it was relatively easy to determine whether an incident was the result of the actions of a user, developer or manufacturer. Number 6. Ethical challenges. One of the major AI problems that are yet be tackled are the ethics and morality. The way how the developers are technically grooming the AI bots to perfection, where it can flawlessly imitate human conversations, making it increasingly tough to spot a difference between a machine and a real customer service representative. Number 7. Lack of computation speed. AI, machine learning and deep learning solutions require a high degree of computation speeds offered only by high-end processors. Larger infrastructure requirements and pricing associated with these processors has become a hindrance in their general adoption of the AI technology. In this scenario, cloud computing environment, and multiple processors running in parallel offer a potent alternative to cater to these computational requirements. Number 8. Legal challenges. An AI application with an erroneous algorithm and data governance can cause legal challenges for the company. This is yet again one of the biggest artificial intelligence problems that a developer faces in a real world. Flawed algorithm made with an inappropriate set of data can leave a colossal dent in an organization's profit. An erroneous algorithm will always make incorrect and unfavorable predictions. Number 9. AI myths and expectation. There's a quite discrepancy between the actual potential of the AI system and the expectations of this generation. Media says, artificial intelligence, with its cognitive capabilities, will replace humans' jobs. However, the IT industry has a challenge on their hands to address these lofty expectations by accurately conveying that AI is just a tool that can operate only with the indulgence of human brains. AI can definitely boost the outcome of something that will replace human roles, like automation of routine or common work, optimizations of every industrial work, data-driven predictions, etc. However, in most of the occasions, particularly in highly specialized roles, AI cannot substitute the caliber of the human brain and what it brings to the table. Number 10. Difficulty of assessing vendors. In any emerging field, a tech procurement is quite challenging as AI is particularly vulnerable. Businesses face a lot of problems to know how exactly they can use AI effectively, as many non-AI companies engage in AI washing. Some organizations overstate. It's true that AI technology is a luxurious retreat because you cannot oversee the radical changes it brings into the organization. However, to implement it, an organization needs experts who are hard to find. For successful adoption, it needs a high degree computation processing. Enterprises should concentrate on how they can responsibly mitigate these artificial intelligence problems rather than staying back and ignore this groundbreaking technology. The key lies in minimizing the artificial intelligence problems, and maximizing the benefits through the creation of an extensive technology adoption roadmap that understands the core capabilities of artificial intelligence. Let us know if you have any question and comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, and also subscribe to our channel.